Hi, school family. It's Teacher Becky, and my kids came up with a science experiment that we wanted to share with you. You definitely will need your parents' permission in order to get this experiment done. And now I will introduce the boys.
Hello. My name is James, and I thought of the experiment myself. We started getting ready today, and bye.
Hi, my name is Jeffrey, and wait a sec. And what we are doing for our science experiment is the Diet Coke and Mentos experiment. We have Diet Coke, just regular Coke, root beer, and Sprite. And we have 5 Mentos for each one. We have our scene, which one asks a question. Our question was,
Which soda goes the highest? Hypothesis
was
Diet Coke will go the highest.
and then hold it. And playing our experiment materials, I already told you that. Steps, get materials, we got that. Research, we did that. Make a graph, we haven't done that though, but we'll probably do it. James, do experiment, put Mentos in Diet Coke, Sprite, root beer, fill in the graph. And then our research, we went on YouTube, watched a video, and we also went on Google, and some person said we can use 7, but another person said we can use 5, and it didn't go that high. So we're using 5 because we're in our driveway.
Can you get all of them at the same time?
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right, so we unscrewed all of our soda here. The video online recommended that you put all of them in at the same time. So James is going to drop the Mentos in. Excellent, thank you.
And now we need a parent to do this part.
You definitely
Everybody,
do.
step back.
We have some heights marked on our garage door. So this is 2 feet, this is 4 feet, and this one will be 6 feet. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm a little nervous. 3,
2,
1.
0.
Oh, I only got 3 in.
Oh! It went about 2 feet.
2 feet. Okay, let's try this one.
And hi, I'm the person that's recording, Jeffrey.
All right, are you ready, James?
I'm stepping back. 3, 2, 1.
That went about 4 feet.
About 4 feet?
4 feet and like a little bit. 4 feet and like, I don't know.
So that we've done the Sprite and the root beer.
So far, root beer's in the lead.
Yep. But now it's time for the regular Coke.
Now Sprite had an unfair hiccup because he lost 2 of his Mentos.
That was okay.
And so did, I lost one there.
4 feet.
Too. About 4 feet too?
Yeah.
All right.
And at least that one got 4 feet.
And Coke, make sure you get all of them.
Diet Coke.
Because that's my,
That's your hypothesis? That you think this one's going to go the highest?
yeah.
All right.
3, 2, 1.